Yeah, we on the same team, we on one accord, we're in the same league, born on the sea, but we're a new breed. The new man has risen, the old man deceased. We got the word of God to take out the beast. Some are asleep and some don't believe, but I ain't compromising for none of their police. I'm coming out the gate with a new set of keys. I've been gone for a minute now, still on this race, trying to go for the finish. Yeah, so we make moves, gotta run with the vision, but we gon' hold it down while we here in the Pacific. Yeah, that never stay tripping, might as well pack it up because we all been forgiven. Yeah, we got a full squad. If it gets some positions, we're the top 6, #1 division.
Our crew is the tightest, forever humble but rarely are silent. Easily conquered if we were divided. I feel like I'm David defeating Goliath. Society's broken and everyone knows. Look how division's impacting the globe. When justice is law, resistance is duty. So don't be surprised if we act as unruly. Get music's my Juliet, unstoppable. Look at the vector. Hawaii's a mecca, can only get better. A timeless endeavor to forever treasure. In fact, aloha is what I project. All that I wanna reflect. We the people, we're given the power to make a decision on what happens next. Now y'all know.
Now y'all know. Each and every state, run up in the place, tell them, man, give me the keys to the gate. You ain't gotta hate, cause we all got food on our plate. It's been a long wait, but it ain't no famine. So go ahead and let my fam in. We want the whole buffet with a side of souffle. Tell me why you wanna play each and every day when life is but a date with no time here to waste. I was saved by his grace, I ain't on that paper chase. But try to see if you can keep up with my pace as I go the distance. A plan purpose for my existence, and I push weight to overcome resistance. Gotta stay consistent and consistent, resilient. I'm steady on my mission. The Great Commission, defeating all opposition. So pay attention to the truth I'm spitting as I take you to a new dimension.
Yeah, we on the same team. Genesis jokes up, this is our dream. Revelations revealing a new thing. Championship, crown of glory, no ring. Evangelizing, we out here in these streets. Prophesying over hot beats. Introducing Jesus Christ to all these lost souls. In every city worldwide, this is our goal. King James is a virtue. We fall down like Crip Paul getting shook. But we get back up and continue to strive. 2K, no NBA Live, Westbrook and KD, Clay and Curry, Artest and Kobe, LeBron and Kyrie. We got the real MVP on our squad. He go hard in the paint, plus he is God.
Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to this. We are uniting through lyrics we spit. Jesus is coming and Satan is gunning for everything that we've been promised to get. I promise you this, he can deliver the crooks and the thieves. How do I know this? You looking at me and I'm living free. No care in this world cause he's covering me and I be ready for the mission. Telling them about him cause they don't know what they missing. But let me be a witness. Jesus is a healer, a provider, and a great protector. I'm just reminiscing. At homie, I'ma take that. But I'ma give the king glory, no take back. See, I'm in love with the Father, can't fake that. See, I rep Team Gyra, he is our provider, devil, take that.
Yo, catch me in the hood, posted on the block. Better yet, kick it out, Steph Curry with the shot swish. Now my release too quick, the flow so sick, the last of a first round pick. Check my average though, not your average Joe. Honor society and never made a 4.0. Cum laude, status is old louder. This verse I had to bite it to show you I'm about it, no doubt about it. Life ain't always what it seems. Still, Christ rules everything around me. Cream. Play left bench till a trade request sent me to the redeemed team. It's the year of the 6. Shannon, Clarkson, LeBron James, Dr. J, revolutionized the game. 23, number 8, Hall of Fame status. Team got big rings. Different walks of life don't matter. Still playing for the same team.
Hey.